Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood routers available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, we've got the perfect router for your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Silville Wood Router, our budget-friendly option at just $39.99. This compact tool is equipped with an 800-watt copper motor that delivers a solid 30,000 RPM, ensuring sufficient power for basic woodworking tasks. The included 15-piece router bit set is a nice bonus, making it an attractive choice for beginners who want to explore woodworking without breaking the bank. The design is straightforward but functional. Its transparent base and cover provide clear visibility of your cutting area, which is especially helpful for precise work. While the build quality is predominantly ABS plastic, it feels reasonably durable for light to medium use. The included accessories such as trimming guides and wrenches add versatility to the kit. Performance-wise, the Silville router is adequate for simple tasks like chamfering and surface finishing, but it struggles with heavier-duty applications. It's ideal for DIYers and hobbyists who need a no-frills tool for occasional use. However, its limited durability and lack of advanced features might leave professionals wanting more. Pros include the unbeatable price and included router bits, while cons include its lower build quality and limited power compared to higher-end models. At number 4, we have the Tino Wood Router, another budget-friendly option priced at $42.99. This router packs an 800-watt motor that delivers an impressive 31,000 RPM, slightly edging out the Silville router in raw speed. It comes with a similar 15-piece router bit set, making it a great value for beginners or casual users. The Tino router features a transparent base and ergonomic rubber-covered grips, which enhance both visibility and comfort during use. The design emphasizes accuracy, with a depth adjustment knob that allows for quick modifications without the need for tools. The build quality is adequate for light-duty tasks, but like the Silville, it uses ABS plastic that may not withstand heavy workloads over time. In terms of performance, this router is ideal for tasks like edge trimming, grooving, and DIY crafts. It's slightly more polished than the Silville in both design and usability, but it still lacks the durability and advanced features found in premium models. The Tino router is a solid entry-level option with pros like high RPM and ergonomic design, balanced by cons like limited durability and basic build quality. Sliding into third place is the Bosch PR20 EVS Cold Palm Router, a compact and versatile tool priced at $89. With a 5.6 amp motor delivering speeds between 16,000 and 35,000 RPM, this router is perfect for detailed work and precision tasks. It features Bosch's constant response circuitry, which keeps the speed consistent even under load, ensuring clean and accurate cuts. The build quality is a standout feature here. The rugged aluminum base is both solid and durable, while the ergonomic grip provides a comfortable and secure hold during extended use. The quick clamp system allows for fast adjustments and bit changes, making it user-friendly for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its size and weight make it an excellent choice for palm routing and edge trimming. Performance-wise, the PR20 EVS excels at intricate tasks like laminate trimming and dovetail cutting. While it lacks the power for heavy-duty projects, it shines in precision and control. The pros include its durable construction, consistent performance, and compact design, while cons include limited horsepower and suitability for lighter applications only. This router is ideal for those who prioritize finesse over brute power. In the runner-up spot, we have the DeWalt 20V Max XR cordless router, priced at $127.99. This router combines portability with power, featuring a brushless motor that delivers a maximum speed of 25,500 RPM. The cordless design, powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, sold separately, makes it an excellent choice for professionals and DIYers who value mobility and convenience. The DeWalt router boasts dual LEDs for illuminating the work surface, making it easier to achieve precision in dimly lit environments. Its depth adjustment ring allows for quick and accurate height modifications, while the electronic brake ensures safety by slowing the motor rapidly after shutoff. The build quality is top-notch, with a robust blend of materials designed to withstand heavy use. Performance-wise, this router is versatile and reliable, capable of handling tasks ranging from edge trimming to plunge routing with ease. The cordless feature adds flexibility, but it does require investment in batteries if you don't already own DeWalt power tools. Pros include portability, ease of use, and excellent build quality, while cons include the higher price point and additional battery cost. This router is perfect for professionals seeking a high-quality, portable solution. Taking the top spot is the Bosch 1617 EVSPK Wood Router Combo Kit, priced at $199. This premium router is a powerhouse, equipped with a 12-amp motor that delivers 2.25 horsepower and variable speeds ranging from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM. The combination of a plunge base and a fixed base makes it incredibly versatile, suitable for applications like edge forming, slot cutting, dovetailing, and more. The build quality is exceptional, featuring durable aluminum construction and wooden handles on the fixed base for a classic feel. The plunge base comes with a soft grip handle for enhanced control and comfort. Bosch's constant response circuitry ensures consistent speed throughout cuts, while microfine depth adjustments allow for precision that professionals demand. The included carrying case and accessories make this kit a complete solution. Performance-wise, the 1617 EVSPK is a true workhorse, capable of handling both delicate and heavy-duty tasks with ease. Pros include its versatility, robust build, and consistent performance, while cons include its high price and heavier weight. This router is ideal for professional woodworkers and serious hobbyists looking for a reliable all-in-one solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews on comparisons. If you have any questions about these wood routers, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy woodworking!